Boys and girls, today we're going to start looking at some opinion writing. Last week, you watched some books being read to you that talked about opinions. Remember, opinions are what you think and believe. Now, you wrote some sentences last week that was opinions. Like, I think a dog would make the best pet. And then you would tell why. I want to read you an opinion writing sample that a little boy named Jordan wrote. And you can see his picture there of a school and a place called Mr. Cupcakes. Listen as I read. Do you like cupcakes? My favorite place to go for a cupcake is Mr. Cupcakes. It is easy to get there because you can walk there after school. It is so good at that shop because there, let me write some more on the back to finish it, are different cupcakes and different flavors. Cupcakes are yummy. Now, I want to show you several things that Jordan did in his writing. One thing that he did, he had something we call a hook. A hook is a sentence that you write that gets the person's attention that is reading this. Sometimes it's a question, and sometimes it's just an action sentence. This one is, do you like cupcakes? That is what we call his hook. It gets your attention because you start thinking, do I like cupcakes? So, a good opinion writing has an opening hook. So, I'm going to be making a recipe for what our opinion writing should have. And the first thing that we said our opinion writing should have is an opening hook. Something to hook you, to get you interested and to keep reading. Okay, let's see what he says. My favorite place to go for a cupcake is Mr. Cupcakes. So he told us what his topic is, what he is going to write about. And he's going to be writing about his favorite place to go for a cupcake. So he wrote a sentence that told his topic, didn't he? That's called his opinion. His opinion is that his favorite place to go for a cupcake is Mr. Cupcakes. In other words, it is better than the other places. So the second thing that your opinion should have after your hook is you should give an opinion. What is your favorite? What do you like best? That is your opinion. So he did that. That's what's in blue. Now, let's see what he tells us. Maybe he's going to tell us why Mr. Cupcakes is his favorite place to eat cupcakes. Let's see. It is easy to get there because you can walk there after school. Is that maybe one reason why he likes to eat at Mr. Cupcakes? Yes, because it's easy to get there. Okay, I'm going to highlight that sentence so we can remember that's one of the reasons why he likes Mr. Cupcakes. It's because it's easy to get there. He can just walk there after the school. Let's see. It is so good at that shop because there, let me turn it over on the back, are different cupcakes and different flavors. So is that another reason why he likes Mr. Cupcakes? Yes, because it is so good because there are different cupcakes and different flavors. That's one reason he likes it. Sorry that it's blurry. Let me see if I can fix it here. There we go. So, he gave reasons why he liked Mr. Cupcakes, didn't he? Why that was his favorite place to get cupcakes. So one of the things we're going to add on our recipe for writing and opinion writing is he gives reasons why. reasons why that is his favorite. And he also gave some details, didn't he? He said that that place was good, but he told why. Because the flavors of the cupcakes and all the different cupcakes he had. Okay, let's look at something. What does he have here at the very end? He says cupcakes are yummy. He has kind of a closing sentence, doesn't he? He has a closing sentence or an ending to his story. He didn't just end it after he gave all his reasons for Mr. Cupcakes being his favorite shop or cupcakes being his favorite thing. He wrote an ending. Cupcakes are yummy. Okay, he told, again, how he felt about cupcakes. So when you're doing an opinion writing, you need an opening hook to get people to read it. You need to give your opinion. What is your favorite? What do you like the best? You got to give reasons why that's your favorite or why it's the best. And then you have to write an ending. You need an ending on there, telling again how you feel about that topic. Something else I noticed in here that's very important in opinion writing is something we call transition words. Transition words are words that help connect things. Let's look at this one. It is easy to get there because. Because is a transition word. Why is it easy to get there? Because you can walk there after school. I see that word again. It is so good at that shop because there are different cupcakes and different flavors. So words like because or words like and, that can be some transition words that you find in there. So a lot of times it's really important you use some transition words. Also is another transition word. So the next thing we're going to put on our recipe is there are transition. That's a new word for you. Transition words. And that's words like because, words like and, or words like also. Okay? So this is some opinion writing we saw today, written by a little boy named Jordan, and we saw the things that he included on his opinion writing. Tomorrow we will look at another sample.